Hello everybody and welcome back. Today we're going to use REGEX, regular expressions. So we're going to create a little story, a couple of sentences, and we're going to change the words in there using REGEX. So first thing we do is import the module called REGEX, RE here. Okay, and then we're going to create a function called change story. Okay, change story. So the old story, let's have a look. It's only going to be a sentence, not going to be a complete story, or else we'll be here all day. Old story is equal to, and I'm going to assign it to a list here. Okay, I'm going to click change words. Let's have a look. Sorry, made mistake there. Made a little mistake. Getting ahead of myself here. So old story is equal to there was an old man who was sad. Okay, new line character there. So that's the old story. And I'm going to create a variable here called change words. No, I'm not getting ahead of myself again. So I'm going to create modified story is equal to, and I'm going to assign it to an empty list there. And now we're going to go on to change words. Okay, so change words is equal to re.sub. Here, sub means substitute. So we're going to substitute some words. So we're going to substitute in here man. Let's have a look, man. And we're going to substitute man for woman. Okay, and that is in the old story. So we're going to substitute the man for woman, and we're going to do another variable, change words to, which is equal to regex and dot sub. And we're going to change sad here. We're going to change sad to happy. Okay, in the old story again. In the old story. Okay, the new story. Okay, which will be that sentence rewritten. New story is equal to change words plus change words to. Okay, and now what we're going to do, we've stored the values in that new variable called new story. What we're going to do is we're going to print the new story. It's going to be new story there, and what we're going to do, whoops, made a mistake there, print new story, knock that off, and then what we're going to do is the modified story dot append here to the new story. Okay, and now we're going to print the modified story. The modified story. Okay, and to make this work, what we're going to do is we're going to call the function by calling it as change story. Okay, so we're just going to save this, and for everybody else who doesn't know, what you want to do is you want to create a folder called something like Python in your My Documents, and then you can save all your Python files there. When you save them, you'll save them with .py at the end. Okay, so I've already done that. Okay, so I'm going to run the module here. Unmatched. Okay, made a little bit of a mistake there. Okay, let's just take that off. Okay, let's save it again and run it again. Okay, so there was an old woman who was sad, there was an old man who was happy, and we've saved it in here into this list. There was an old woman who was sad, there was an old man who was happy. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. We have changed these. Okay, I hope you like that, and if you did, give it a big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.